My name is Yowen Satika from Sriwijaya University. I'm a student of Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. So that's why I currently focus on education issue. And one of my biggest dream is to change the education system in Indonesia to be better and brighter. Regarding my dream to change the education system in Indonesia to be better, I proudly propose Sriline, that stands for Skripsi Online. Sriline best Google Apps for education, for thesis advisory, which is effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly in writing thesis process. In the status quo, there are three main problems in writing thesis. The first is not environmentally friendly. The second is risky of plagiarism. And the third, it's limited by time and space. As we all know that paper is made by wood.
I think to use many papers, it will be very expensive for the students. Sometimes they have to revise 1 page to 2 pages because they have mistakes.
And a ton of paper is equal with 25 trees. And the world's needs of paper is 278 million tons in every year. It means that there are 6.95 billion of trees that we lose in every year because of the industry of pulp and paper. And based on WWF Indonesia said that the industry of pulp and paper is one of the big actors of the deforestation in Indonesia. And then the second problem is plagiarism. In 2013, there are 808 cases of plagiarism in Indonesia, and one of them is Anggito's case.
Pengunduran diri Anggito Abimanyu diumumkan di hadapan wartawan dan Rektor UGM di University Club UGM Senin siang. Dosen sekaligus ekonom tersebut mundur dari UGM pasca kasus plagiatnya terbongkar ke publik.
The thesis must be anti-plagiarism, and based on Law Number 20, year 2003, paragraph 25, verse 2 said that if the thesis indicates plagiarism and proof there is plagiarism, so the academic title will be cut and the status of graduation will be cancelled as the punishment. And the third problem is limited by time and space. When the lecture is overseas because of workshop or short course, of course it will disturb the advisory system and process.
I also have some occasions of presenting my papers abroad to other countries apart from Indonesia.
There are 82% of the students feel that the limited time, space, and also the activities of the lectures overseas, such as international conference and also short course, can be the obstacle in thesis advisory.
Besides asking the student to show their thesis or proposal to me directly in the classroom or at home, I sometimes ask my student to send their paper to my email.
Usually, lecturers give the solution thesis advisory by email, but email has some weaknesses, and one of them is because of limited capacity of attention. By using Sriline, both lecturer and student can get easier and better way to conduct thesis advisory. Lecturers and students can meet onlinely by using Google Hangout for advisory meeting. So the distance will not be the problem anymore. Wherever the student is and wherever the lecturer is, they still can revise the thesis by long distance. Regarding about environment issue and also the plagiarism, the student can conduct online survey and online research by using Google Form, so it will be paperless. In addition, we still can use smallseo.com to check and recheck whether the thesis contains the plagiarism or not. The technique of implementations of the Sriline, the first is the stage of planning. So there should be a research to decide whether the Sriline is capable and credible enough or not to be implemented in Indonesia. And the second stage is the stage of socialization. University of Sriwijaya, we have implemented the second step of this stage. We have socialized to the lecturers and also the students how to use Google Apps for education. And the third, Dikti and Kopertis should consider Sriline as one of the requirements of accrediting of all the universities in Indonesia. And the fourth is the stage of evaluation. So Dikti and Kopertis should evaluate the implementations of the Sriline. So there will be improvement after the evaluation. Then the most powerful reason why Sriline should be accepted as the regulation is because Sriline is applicative and zero budget. So Sriline for better and brighter education.